ever wonder what it would be like to plow down a huge mountain of dirt? How about dumping thousands of pounds of thick, oozy concrete? Maybe even working on an enormous skyscraper hundreds of feet in the air. Well, these jobs, and lots of others like them, are done every day by experts on construction sites. Your home was once a construction site. Architects and engineers drew up the plans. Excavators dug holes. Masons set the foundation to build on. Carpenters added the floors, the walls, and the roof. Electricians put in wiring to give you electricity. Plumbers added the pipes to let you have water to drink. Heating contractors installed the furnace. Many other experts got in on the act too. There are lots of jobs to do at a construction site. It takes a team effort to get from here to here. Bridges, roads, and every type of building you can think of all started out the same way. As construction sites. Exciting. Interesting. Sometimes dangerous too. Definitely not cool places to play. Usually, construction sites are fenced or blocked off to let you know that you shouldn't be there. Construction equipment, like bulldozers, backhoes, and dump trucks, have loud engines and make beeping sounds to warn you to stay away. But just because you can see and hear them, doesn't mean that they can see and hear you.
Hey Adam, where are you going?
If you're on a construction site when you shouldn't be, you set yourself up to get hurt. The best advice is to be smart, play it safe, and stay away.
Let's get out of here! I'm with you.
What about when all the equipment is shut off? And there's no one around? Do you think it's okay then?
No, construction equipment is dangerous even when it's not running. You might slip, fall, or get your leg or arm caught. You might cause a serious injury to yourself or somebody else.
The holes the construction equipment left in the ground are almost as dangerous as the machines themselves. Holes for basements can be deep enough to be dangerous if you fall or jump in. Once you get in, you might not be able to get out. Play it safe and stay away. If you don't get too close to the holes, then it's safe, isn't it?
Big holes for basements or sewers have soft ground around them that could cave in when you walk on it. It might give way, and you could get trapped under many layers of dirt.
Big ditches and holes fill up with rainwater. You might even drown.
Oh, and you know those big pipes that go into these holes? Some are even big enough to walk through. They're not a very safe place to play either. Since there's nothing holding them in place, they can roll. And what about dirt and sandhills that heavy machines make when they dig holes? They seem harmless enough.
No, climbing on hills at a construction site is bad news. Besides falling, you can get bruised or cut by a piece of broken glass, nails, or any other sharp object mixed in with the dirt.
Once the construction crews have started putting up a building, there's even more stuff that might seem fun to play with. But there are more ways you can get hurt, too. Smart kids play it safe and don't go anywhere near construction sites. Construction sites are places where the work isn't finished yet. And they may have lots of unexpected dangers.
Inside buildings, there are boards or beams that stick out where you wouldn't expect them to be.
Heavy materials like stacks of plywood and wallboard aren't nailed in yet and might tip over on top of you. There are also stairways that could be missing stairs or ladders that aren't safe to play on.
The tools and materials construction experts use are dangerous. Construction experts are trained on how to use these, and they have special safety equipment that helps to protect them.
Just like your family's projects at home, builders use lots of different types of materials. Playing with any of these could result in a seriously bad day. Sometimes construction sites have many hidden dangers that you might not expect, like rusty nails that could cut you. Be smart, play it safe, and stay away. I wonder what else might be laying around at a construction site that's dangerous.
Hot tar, electric hand tools,
Poison liquid.
cutting blades, broken bricks, and glass.
Loose boards.
There are electrical wires, gas pipes.
And that's just to name a few. Construction experts know how to use these things to make buildings, bridges, and roads. And everybody else, well, they should be smart. Play it safe and stay away. Remember to look for things like warning signs or thick yellow tape that mark a construction site. Listen for beeping sounds that construction equipment makes, and sounds of workers using power tools. And stay away so you and your friends don't get hurt. Remember, if you're thinking about playing at a construction site, smart kids say,
No!